Okay, welcome back to the channel, Hobby1 Kenobi. And as you can see here, we have the completed TAMIYA Gama Goat M561. This was a fantastic build. I really enjoyed it. The kit went together wonderfully. Very few issues with the kit. The fit was wonderful. I would say that one of the few issues that I had, of course, was the dial cover wasn't quite accurate. The seats weren't terrific, so I showed you how to scratch build those details. But overall, the kit was just really outstanding. I had a lot of fun. This was a really great opportunity for me to sort of focus on the Murdoch Winter Verdant camo scheme, which I absolutely love from the 1980s. And then on top of that, I was also able to deal with sort of this dirt and dust effect. That was a lot of fun to do. So for the wheels, I decided to go with sagged tires. And they're from DEF model. They were wonderful right out of the box. All I had to do was remove them from their resin attachment point and just clean them up just a little bit, and then I hit them with some primer and was able to paint them very, very easily. They did come with some masks, both masks for the wheel so that you could paint the wheels first, apply the mask, and then you'd be able to paint the wheel hub. There were also masks so you can cover up the wheel hub and then just paint the tire itself separately. Unfortunately, mine, they didn't seem to fit at all. They in fact seemed to be for a different type of wheel altogether. So I ended up not needing to use those, which wasn't that much of a problem. But for the price that they were, I would hope that were you to pick up a set that you would find that the masks themselves will fit well. I did add some rope on the winch for the tow cable just to give it a little bit more lifelike look. I also added very thin wire that act as guards over the headlights. They supply you with some plastic, but of course it's just much too thick. So I added some nice little detail there. Another thing I added to the vehicle were foot pedals for the driver. And I also decided to have one of the side view mirrors set askew. So that took a little bit of work to get that right. Overall, I think it creates a much more lifelike, much more realistic look on the vehicle. My trick for side view mirrors, for the mirror portion, is to use a Folgers foil flap. And I found that that's very translucent. So I'll cut that to the right shape, use some PVA glue, and glue it right onto the mirror itself. And that to me has so far resulted in the most realistic look that I've come across. All right, well, we're going to end the video here. I thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe, hit like on this video if you enjoyed this build. Hit that bell so that you get notified about future videos, and thanks so much for watching.